LMAO because it looks like a sphinx.
朝4本、昼2本、夜3本、これなーに
I think that's the
Yeah.
actual sphinx riddle in Japanese.
So when you are born, like when you are a baby, you walk with your legs and also your hands. And when you're matured, you can walk your legs by your legs. And when you get old, you need what was that? 杖。杖ってなんていうの？杖ってなんていうの？ステ
いや、
ィックス？
田舎の電車でした。
Hajaja. Ha 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 LMAO. Dolphin's back. LMAO. Dolphin. Dolphin. Dolphin sounds are
騙
blessed.
された騙された
Make a dolphin statue next. They hit a puppy.
Dolphin statue next.
I did not think KYOUD react like that LMAO.
ステッキ、店員じゃねってドルピン降臨。
確かステッキだったね。スティックって言っちゃった。